going on a trip today because we're going to the fair. So you can see, I think we're I don't know what channel, but I love it!
We are ready for the South Dakota State Fair. We're going to be exhibiting there all week, and we are packed up, ready to go. Very excited. Got a little bit of a drive ahead of us, but the weather is beautiful outside. Should be a good trip. Here we're checking out a Case 3380 80X. They use it for deep banding fertilizer here. And I got my helpers with. Say hello. Our customer's air cart. So they've already done some stainless down here, but definitely need some more with corroded meter housings and such. And they're looking at doing a full rebuild. They're losing a ton of pressure here, not able to get the rates down. Here you can see significant swelling of the steel on the connection of the plenum. The meter housings are really corroded. See if we can get them ready within a month to start fall fertilizing.
Hi.
This is my lovely assistant.
Hi.
Miss Hopewell. I mean, Mrs. Hopewell. She's taken. Don't even think about it. You guys ready to go? Let's get on the road. We gotta go set up for a show. Here we go. Hi, Talia. Do you want to try the camera?
Yes.
You kind of have a frowny face though.
Can I try? Please.
Oh, that's so nice.
Ha ha. We're going on a trip today because we're going to the fair. So you can see, I think we're I don't know what channel, but I love it! And me, of course. Yeah. Oh, isn't that fast?
Busy place.
Trying to get into her spot.
Nope. Yep.
That's good. I bet.
Yep. Yep. We're coming away.
Here I am checking out the John Deere display right next to our setup, which is really cool. It's exciting. Hey, I see a little girl. Who's this? Excuse me? Excuse me, ma'am? Whoa, are you with Ready? Hey, excuse me. Are you with Ready?
Yes.
What? Ready is at the South Dakota State Fair?
Uh-huh.
Let me see that again. Well, hello there. What did you find? Cute bag? These Ready sales ladies are really very communicative. First morning going to the fair. Gonna get set up. Sorry. These guys aren't excited.
We're excited. You're excited, Mousy.
Mousy?
I don't really use them all night. I'm excited for yesterday.
Oh, are you excited, Jesse? Yeah.
That's a good setup. We're at the South Dakota State Fair 2020, and we're checking out the different displays. We got Sadie here checking out the big John Deere tractor. Doesn't like attention though. Got our most beautiful employee here, Hope, representing.
Hello.
Let's take a look at what we got here. Intelligent Ag. Wireless blockage. Very good systems. John Deere row unit displays. Got the new spike closing wheel attachment. Pearl stitch closing wheel. Notched disc blade. Some disc promos going on, and of course tried and true stainless. That replaces all that corroded steel parts. IAS spread sense, floater fertilizer applicators, hydraulic drive conversion kits for 1910 carts, and then of course the exclusive all-postage. And we don't want to forget farmland points, tillage, all it ready. So we're having a good time here.
Good times.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna leave you. We're gonna go check out some tractors.
Okay, have fun.
Girls, you ready to go check out some tractors?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Oh no, they have it locked. How are we gonna have fun in there if it's locked? Let's go check out another tractor. Here we go.
Hello, everybody in the town. Close all your booths because I tell you to.
All the fair games.
Here's Jesse with his office all set up. Who needs an office?
Working under the tent.
Perfect.
I wish I had Wi-Fi. Can you find me some Wi-Fi?
The demands here, I tell ya. What kind of ride? To the what? Beats? You gonna go ride the beats? Okay, wrapping it up after a long, hot day. South Dakota State Fair. Packed everything in.
You gonna drive the tractor home?
Yeah, I have to find a different truck.
Oh, is the door locked?
Yeah.
Who locks their door?
I don't know.
Why don't they leave the key in it so we can take it?
Oh my.
All right,
Typical train.
the kid train is moving. Here we go. Yeah, I think they locked everything.
Did you have a great day at the fair?
I did. It was a good day. This was the best day. This is the Sunday, the 4th day of a 5-day fair. Tomorrow they're forecasting rain and wind and also cold weather. High of 55 today. The high was 85. And so we're gonna try to wrap up early and get going. So here we go. Gonna go get some food. Let's get going.